Guys, this is another question within the trig topic. So like here they're saying simplify. So when you get a question like this, what you need to do here, you need to check what is maybe repeating or what is common here. If I can place it in that way, you can see that 22.5 is repeating, and also, or it's also occurring here, it's also occurring here. So this thing, if we can write it neatly, it's something like 2 sine squared, and then maybe a theta minus a 1, and then also this is 4 sine theta, and then cos 2 point, no, sorry, that's not 2, that's theta. So like now, what do you know about this identity? Or if I can place it in that way, what do you know about this? What do you know about this if it's written like this? So it's something which you can simplify and say, okay, let me remove a common factor here on top. You can remove a common factor there. Removing a common factor of a -1, which means you'll have 1 and then minus 2, and then this is sine squared, and then this is 25.5. So you can close this. So underneath here you can see that, okay, this looks familiar. By familiar I mean that it looks like something like this, which is coming from sine 2 theta is equals to, this is 2 sine theta and then cos theta. It means here you can just say 2 and then say what, 2 sine, what is our theta? Our theta is 25.5, and then cos 25.5. It means like now we can replace this. The top one is coming from cos 2 theta, which is equivalent to 1 minus 2 sine squared theta, which now here we can just replace this thing and say, okay, this here on top will just give us what? Will just give us cos 2 theta, and then now the bottom, sorry, our theta here, it's 22.5, and then divided by 2, and then we can change this to sine 25.5, and then get what? And then we'll just get our sine to the why do I keep on writing theta? This is 22.5, then close bracket, and then now we can write this. Now we can say this on top there is just cos 45 negative, mind you, and then 2, and then sine, same here, 45, meaning these now are special what? They are now special angles, which these special angles you can what? You can fill out or write the actual values. So now the actual value here, if we are to repeat, we will get something like minus 1 over 2, and then multiplying it with this 1 over the square root of 2, and then you place this, then this still be 1 over the square root of 2. Then now this will just give you what? This, if you can just simplify it, it will just give you a 1 multiplied by a -1 over a 2, and then this now will just give you a -1 over a 2, and then you're done.